Before buying ActiveCampaign, there are 12 things you need to know to make an informed decision. With so many competitors like MailChimp and HubSpot offering similar services, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully to see if ActiveCampaign is the right fit for your business. First, ActiveCampaign stands out for its email marketing automation features. Compared to platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign offers more advanced workflows and triggers, allowing for highly personalized campaigns. If you're looking for robust automation with in-depth segmentation, ActiveCampaign shines in this area. Next, let's talk about the ease of use. While ActiveCampaign is user-friendly, it's definitely not as intuitive as some other tools like ConvertKit. The learning curve is steeper, and it may take you some time to familiarize yourself with all the features and how they work together. But once you get the hang of it, you'll see why it's worth the effort. The third thing you need to know is pricing. ActiveCampaign offers different tiers depending on the number of contacts you have, which can get expensive as your list grows. For small businesses with fewer than 500 contacts, it's relatively affordable. But if you're scaling up, you might find competitors like MailChimp more budget-friendly with their free plan that covers up to 500 subscribers. Now, let's dive into customer support. ActiveCampaign offers 24/7 customer service via live chat, which is a huge plus compared to other platforms like Sendinblue, where support can be a bit slower. However, the support is not always as fast as you might expect, and some users report that responses can take a few hours during peak times. The fifth thing is the integration capabilities. ActiveCampaign integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, which is a big advantage over some competitors like MailerLite, which offers fewer integrations. If you rely on external tools, you'll appreciate how ActiveCampaign connects smoothly with platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and Salesforce. Next thing, let's discuss templates. While ActiveCampaign has a solid library of templates, it's not as expansive as others like GetResponse, which offers a larger selection. ActiveCampaign's templates are well designed, but you may find yourself limited when it comes to variety compared to its competitors. The seventh thing to consider is reporting. ActiveCampaign offers advanced reporting and analytics, which is great for data-driven decisions. However, if you're looking for the most detailed insights possible, platforms like HubSpot offer deeper, more customizable reporting options. Another important point is A/B testing. ActiveCampaign has strong A/B testing capabilities, but they're a bit more limited compared to other tools like ConvertKit or Drip, which offer more flexible testing options for your emails and landing pages. The ninth thing you should know is the landing page builder. ActiveCampaign provides an intuitive, drag-and-drop landing page builder, but it's not as feature-rich as some competitors like Unbounce or Lee Pages. While it gets the job done, you may miss out on some of the advanced features that these specialized landing page tools offer. Moving on to deliverability, ActiveCampaign does a good job ensuring your emails land in the inbox, but it's not perfect. Compared to other tools like MailChimp, you may experience a slightly lower deliverability rate, especially if your email list isn't clean or well segmented. The 11th thing to consider is the mobile app. ActiveCampaign offers a decent mobile app that lets you manage campaigns and track performance, but it's not as robust as some other apps like GetResponses, which offers more features and a smoother experience on mobile. And finally, pricing transparency. While ActiveCampaign's pricing is based on the number of contacts, it's not always clear what you're getting at each tier. Some users report feeling like they didn't realize what features were locked behind certain plans until after they upgraded. So, should you buy ActiveCampaign? It's a solid option for those looking for advanced automation, integrations, and reporting. But if you're after a more user-friendly experience, better templates, or cheaper options for small lists, you might want to explore alternatives. If you're looking for a better solution, check out our recommended tool, which offers a free trial to get you started.